going to show you how to make a Zentangle today. You're going to need some kind of a pen or marker and a pencil and a nice thick piece of paper. Usually a Zentangle is done on a square paper. And you start off by making a dot in each corner of the paper. And then you make a square, and it's supposed to be a little wobbly. It's not supposed to be straight edged. Next, we add a string, and there's lots of different kinds of strings that you can use. I'm going to use the looping string. Okay, now I need to fill each of my areas with a Zentangle pattern, a tangle. So I'm going to pick this area here. Okay, if this happens to you, then it's a good idea to take a scratch paper and just like this to get your pen going. Oh, I forgot to mention that I switched to pen when I started putting my tangles in. Okay. Okay, in the next section right here, I'm going to put a tangle that we learned last week. And that one was with triangles. Of course, you were able to use any shape that you wanted. Oops, made a mistake. When you make a mistake, you just got to go with it. There's no starting over. I was going to do that anyway. Go back and darken the big ones. Okay, so I've got to pick something now for my middle section, and I think I liked the one with the rectangles. So we have the straight edges of the rectangles and square, and next to them we'll put wiggly lines which have curves in them. And of course, you can stop and hop Whenever you run into something, stop and hop. Uh-oh. Boy, it's really hard to tell this one separate from the others. What could I do to fix that? I think I'm going to fill in every other spot between the wiggly lines. I'm also going to add in some little details like this. If I want to get really fancy, I'd put another pattern that goes through the checkerboard design. Since it's already filled in, I could just feel like it needs a little more pencil work. I'm just going to fill in my triangles. It just seems like the pencil should show up in more than just one place. All right, to finish it, I'm going to sign it. It's your turn.